I'm Fatima Gran. I'm an architect and a designer.
My name is Jona Berglind Stefansdottir, and I'm a textile designer. I do patterns, construction for textiles. I also do a bit of art.
I have an architectural practice and a design firm.
Wearable installations and whatever I think is fun, I try to work on.
My name is Ebba Tam. I'm an architect.
I'm Jing Beijing, a designer specialized in product design, furniture design, visual identity, art direction, etc.
I work primarily with interior design, graphic design, and exhibition design.
I have a home-based design studio so far.
Well, it's me. That's my business.
My story is a little bit different because I'm new in Sweden and I pretty much came at a point where COVID had started to spread in the country. So it's a little bit unusual for me because I had to start from scratch and I had to build a network. So it's been a little bit challenging to set up myself here and settle in the design scene in Sweden.
It is lovely, hard work, and challenging.
It's fun. It's great.
It's a much more laid-back atmosphere. Which is great, and it gets you the opportunity to be inspired by others.
That I get to live here, and by living in Malmo, I think contributes to make me a better designer. Because, I don't know, everything around, my life contributes to my design, and I have a very nice and calm life here in southern Sweden, or in Malmo. And I think that echoes into my design.
I think probably the language and the network from the beginning, because I am from China, Beijing, China. But I started my master program here in Lund University. I gradually established my own network step by step. And during the pandemic, there's some adversities for me and for my business as well. But I managed to rework some of my projects and also actively explore new networks. Now I have some new clients to collaborate with, which is a really pleasant thing.
It's been quite slow, of course, due to COVID, but moving forward and a little challenging, but generally slow.
It has been a year of contrasts. It has been one of the slowest years for me, but also one of the busiest. And yeah, a year full of fundamental human hardships, and in one way really, rewarding and nice. Wow.
Hopefully doing good. I hope I've had the chance to collaborate on a variety of projects.
In my ideal plan, I hope that I can have my own brand with my own name, and also to have more interesting projects, as many as possible.
Just the same, with a baggage of really fun projects alongside people that I want to, work together with.
I'm still learning on that, actually. I think I will be more active in social media and see what it comes.
For this particular event, we have still decided to have a physical event, so it didn't change that much for us.
I think the material reaches broader audiences by using digital platforms. So you reach more people than you would do somewhere else, perhaps. I am at Form and Design Center during Southern Sweden Design Days with my project Augmented Materiality.
Well, you can find me through the official webpage in the activity page where there are two projects of mine. One is the Rebrush, which is a set of sustainable kitchen cleaning brushes, and the other one is Subtonis, which is an art project, reflects my mental space, working from raw materials to designed objects.
My project Empathy is based around the city of Malmo, and you can also find it on the Southern Sweden Design Days website.
At Southern Sweden Design Days you can find me, my partner Andreas Korzewski-Hansson and Siri Skillgate at Dam Café, which is located at AGU, avdelning för generellt utforskande. We have made AGU into a fully functioning cafe during the days where you can come by and have a fika, drink coffee, eat cake and enjoy her products and tableware.